Today I want to show off some future capabilities for Ansible Automation Platform, incorporating AI into automation workflows. There is this new AI standard called MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's an open standard that allows large language AI models to talk directly to end systems. In this future state, we're using MCP to allow Ansible Lightspeed Intelligent Assistant to have the ability to communicate directly with anything that Ansible Automation Platform manages. I'm going to ask the assistant to build a job template, and with MCP, it can actually do it, not just give us instructions on how to do it. As soon as I click, it's actually going to configure all the parts of the job template. You can see it also has context. It knows for a job template, it needs a credential, it needs a project, and it needs an inventory, and it loaded the correct playbook. And you can see in just a few quick seconds, it's already finished the job template. Next, I'm going to query Ansible Automation Platform a question on data and logs it contains. Which job templates have the most failures in the last 24 hours? Lightspeed Intelligent Assistant can quickly query all job runs over the last day and tell us which jobs have the most failures. And here, it has given me the top 3. As you can see by this response, it can actually help troubleshoot as well. Let's be polite and ask it for help in finding which host caused the issue. Remember, folks, it costs nothing to be polite. We're going to go ahead and let Lightspeed do its thing, where it's querying through all known logs, and we can see that there's an issue with rel 03 and rel 04. We're going to also use Lightspeed Assistant to retrieve some information directly from these virtual machines. Lightspeed Assistant will, again, automatically create and execute a job template for us. In this case, it is using an automatically AI-generated playbook to retrieve information from the rel servers themselves based on our query. It looks like the playbook's done, and the information is these 2 hosts are out of storage. That would make sense why they're behaving strangely. These hosts are running on OpenShift virtualization. Again, I can use Assistant by pressing yes to help us fix it. This time, it's dynamically creating automation content to fix the issue, which in my opinion greatly lowers the barrier to troubleshoot IT infrastructure. And look at that, it has already increased their storage. We have content for automating OpenShift virtualization, so it's super easy for Lightspeed Assistant to use this content quickly to automate day 2 operational activities, like increasing memory, or in this case, storage. Some customers will have at least one reservation. We were releasing AI-generated changes directly into production. One of the questions we get is if there are any sort of guardrails or safety mechanisms we can put on content, whether it's AI-generated or not. With the latest release of Ansible Automation Platform, it includes Ansible Policy Enforcement. This feature gives us the option to use any policies we have in place with OPA to restrict automation jobs from interfering with production systems. For example, we had a problem where certain team members were spinning up expensive GPUs on AWS. So I've added a policy that will restrict that. And that's just a glimpse of what's possible when we combine AI with Ansible Automation Platform. From intelligent assistant to safe policy-driven execution, this future of automation is fast, powerful, and responsible. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned as we continue to unlock new ways to simplify IT with Ansible and AI.